Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach how to make a voice assistant. So let's get started. Before we start the tutorial, you must have Python installed on your system. I'll leave a card above if you want to figure out how to install it. You would also need a Python IDE. For this project, I'm going to use PyCharm. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to download it. The first thing you need to do is you need to create a new project. I'm going to call mine Voice Assistant. Next, what we need to do is we need to create a new Python file. I'm going to call mine voice. First, you need to make sure that Python is working. You can do this by typing in pip in the local terminal. If an error pops up, that means you either did not install Python or you did not configure it correctly to this project. If you encounter any issues, please type them in the comment section of this video. I'll try to respond to as many as possible. Before we start coding, we need to install all the correct modules in order for the voice assistant to work. The first module that we're going to install is the play sound module. You can do this by typing in pip install play sound. What it does is it allows the Python project to run audio files. We're going to need this because the voice assistant is going to be an audio file. The next module we're going to install is the speech to recognition module. What it is it's basically an analog to digital converter that converts your voice to digital data. We're going to need this because we're going to make the computer use this digital data to detect what you're saying. If you say hello, then the computer is going to make the voice assistant respond hello back to you. The third module that we're going to install is the GTTS module, or the Google Text-to-Speech module. This is the most important module out of all the modules. What this does is it's basically the voice of the voice assistant. Basically gives the voice assistant a voice to communicate to you. The last module that we're going to install is the Pi Audio module. Finally, we're going to start coding. The first thing we need to do is we need to import all the modules except for the Pi Audio module. Next, we're going to define a function named speak that would make the voice assistant speak to us. Inside this function, we're going to create a variable that would make TTS represent the voice assistant. We're going to make the voice assistant language English. The function would first create a file named sound.mp3. Then the function is going to save the voice assistant into the mp3 file by using the TTS command that we created before. Finally, we're going to use the play sound command to make the file play back whatever text we typed in the function. Now all you have to do is type in speak hello outside the function. Once you run the Python file, the voice assistant should say hello.
Hello.
My next video is probably going to be about how to give the voice assistant commands, so if you want to stay in tune for that, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.